Welcome to Outdoor Campers. I'm Christoph and this is the setup video of the Bushwakka Kamelback camper. If you just bought one, congratulations. If you're actually in the market for one, maybe have a look at the review video in the description below. Let's go have a look. The Kamelback has everything you need to make camping comfortable, and the setup is pretty straightforward. Let's start at the back. Always open the spare tire swing arm first before opening the door. Remove the step from its canvas bag and slot it into the two receivers on the rear bar. Extend the bottom of the steps all the way to the ground. To pop up the roof, unlatch the two latches at the back and simply push up the roof. Stow the elastic band at the top. Remember, you'll need to bring this back down before stowing the roof again. Next, unlatch the two latches at the front of the tent. Lift up the second roof wedge from the inside of the camper. Loosen the Velcro straps on the fly sheet at the back of the camper. Unroll the fly sheet. Insert the three spring rods in the fly sheet. The rear ones are marked blue. To open the bed, first unclip and swing out the shower cubicle. Next, slide in the fly sheet. This is usually easier with two people. Stow the fly sheet at the top temporarily. Next, unlatch and open the door. Flip out the extension. Now pull the canvas tent forward. There are two poles on the inside, right and left. Extend these till you feel it click into place. You can do this from the inside as well, and remember to unclick them when tearing down again. Wrap the canvas around the bottom. Hook the three elastic bands around their respective hooks. Bring the fly sheet we stowed earlier over the bed. Use the curved spring rod in the middle. These rods are marked red. Insert the spring rods through the eyelets in the canvas and the receptacles in the door, as well as the fly sheet. Hook the fly sheet elastic bands on both sides. All that's left now is to set up the mattress inside. Simply unfold the mattress and push it forward. Now let's set up the shower cubicle. First assemble the shower head arm and then insert it into the shower cubicle swing arm. Unfold the basin bracket and insert the shower pipe into the tub. Next, unzip the shower cubicle. Undo the Velcro straps and let the material unfold. Throw the top cover over the swing arm temporarily. Unfold the cubicle arms. Note the order. You'll reverse this order when tearing down the shower again. Bring the top cover forward again and wrap it around the arms. Open and extend the pole from the left arm. Extend it and clip it into place. Tie the top Velcro to the pole. There's an elastic band you can hook over the shower head to keep it in place. Extend the shower pole and clip it into the right front corner. There's also a handheld shower head if you prefer this over the arm. Let's open the kitchen. First we'll open the hot water boiler. We'll start by inserting the wash basin bracket into the slot. Extend and lock the poles into place. Pop out the basins and insert them into the frame. Next, let's open the 180-degree awning. Start by unzipping the bag. Release the pulley by pressing on the clip and unlock the two hooks. Keep it handy. Undo the Velcro strips and let the material unfold. Open up the first arm to the front of the camper. Remember the order. You'll do this in reverse when closing. Lift up the material and open the other arm to the back of the camper. Remove the other pulley from the back door pocket. Hook one end on the awning and the other on the camper at the back. Tighten the rope by pulling it through the pulley. Do the same in the front. Hook onto the awning and then onto the bracket on the roof rack. Also pull it tight. If there are any signs of wind, also drop down and tighten the poles. You can also attach the guy ropes for additional support. You can roll up the bottom of the awning bag and secure it with elastic bands. In extreme wind conditions, rather pack away the awning. Next, we can open the pantry door. You can now remove and unfold the table. To access the gas hob and fridge, open the door, unlatch and then press down the yellow tab. Simply slide out the drawer until it clicks. Open the propane bottle in the compartment above the drawer before using the hob or hot water boiler. And that's it, you're all set up.
Hope you found that useful. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them below or contact us on the number in the description. If you have any questions related with trailers and campers, feel free to come visit us in Centurion at Outdoor Campers.